Hello everybody and friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video is going to be focused on Santo Mining Crop Limited stock, or we can say SANP stock. So in this video we are talking about its share prices, analysis, news updates, share prices, analysis about the Robinhood's market stock. Or so this video is very interesting and information. So first of all, if you are visiting our channel for first time, please subscribe our channel, also press bell icon for future update. The Robinhood stock, it was one of the stock that we covered in our recent videos, and as this was the biggest one in terms of revenue, we thought let's have look at them first, and after having done the analysis in them, we got to admit this is a pretty interesting company with lot of interesting plan for the future. They want to grow their business significantly and different ways that they want to achieve it. The Robinhood share prices was trading at 17.40 US dollar with a negativity of 5 to 6%. So I ended the video. Thanks for